Hey guys, so after solving this, I realized that this is actually my 356th day. So, yeah, I'll talk about this later. But, guys, watch the end to see if I actually get the question correct on my 365th day. Oh, it's such a mystery. I wonder what will happen. It's already I've read it. Yeah, I'll talk about this later. Post recording algebra, we'll talk to you later. Hi guys, let's solve this. Okay, I'm not entirely sure about this because I've seen this strategy before. I don't know if we could do this, but I'm thinking we just swap these. So if we say n is equal to 2 to infinity of from 0 to 1/2 of x to the n dx, I think this is the same. I don't know. We'll see. So this thing, if we just treat n as generals, no, that's not correct. It's x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 from 1/2 to 0, then we take the sum of that, and is equal to 2 to infinity. Okay, is this correct? X to the n plus, so if you have x squared, x to the 3, yeah, of course. Of course it's correct. So this is going to be equal to something of 1/2 to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 minus 0 to the n plus 1, which is just going to be 0. So it's just this. So it's going to be equal to 1 over n plus 1. No. It's going to be 1/2 times 1/2 to the n. So we could take the 1/2 out. So we just have 1/2 the sum of 1/2 to the n times 1 over n plus 1 from n equals 2 to infinity. Ha! I was thinking we can just... I didn't realize I'd have this term in the denominator. I don't know what to do now. Can I say this is this times the sum of this times the sum of this? Well, okay, let's say we have 1 times 1/3 plus 2 times 2/3. Can we change this to... This is going to be equal to 1/3 plus 4/3, which is going to be equal to 5/3. Can we change it to 1? No. 2 plus 2 over 6? No. Or, 2 over 9? No, you cannot. Yeah, no. Huh. I mean, it's pretty easy to find the sum of this, but I just don't know what to do. I think I could find the sum of this. 1 over n plus 1 times, so 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6. Would that be equal to negative 12? No. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 9. Well, it's going to be equal to 1/2. Let's write this out. So it's going to be 1/2 to the n times 1/3, 1/2 to the 2, plus 1/2 to the 3, times 1/4, plus 1/2 to the 4 times 1/5, dot dot dot. Well, I mean, we could just write this as... Oh, I didn't have to take the 1/2 out. I could have just changed the bounds, I think. So it's just going to be equal to 1/2 to the 3 times 1/3 plus 1/2 to the 4, 1/2 to the 4 times 1/4 plus 1/2 to the 5th times 1/5, dot dot dot. Huh. I mean, this is going to be equal to 1 over 24 plus... So this is going to be very close to 0, I think. 2 to the 4 is... So 1 over, like, 256 plus 1 over 32 times 5 is 116. I did that one. 2 to the 4 is equal to 16. So 64. Dot dot dot. So very, very small. But I have a feeling this seems simpler than that. I feel like I did something wrong. I swapped the integral in the Riemann sum, or in the sum. Bop, 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 bop. This doesn't go to infinity. Yeah, no, because the 1/2 converges. So that probably means that the other thing converges. It goes to infinity. I think. No, it doesn't. Wait, maybe? That's what I'm gonna guess, because I don't know how to do this. Because I think this goes to a certain number, but this will go to infinity. This doesn't converge. So maybe that means that this goes to infinity. I'm gonna pause and check the answer. Bro. It's log 2 minus 5/8. What? I could not tell you. I genuinely cannot tell you how I got that. Like, log? Wait, let me check. It's just log of 2. It's not like log, it's log base 10. I'm sorry. What? I have no clue. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So, as you guys can see, I did not get this problem correct, as I may have foreshadowed in the start. But, wait, let me check it actually is my 356th day. Oops, I meant 365. But it is my 365th day. That means I've been doing this for an entire year, which was crazy, since March of last year. I wonder why I started at this time last year. I know I saw a video which inspired me, but it's just crazy. It's just crazy. It's been an entire year. I don't know how much I've seen myself improve in math. I've taken Calc 3 since then, it's been fun. But yeah, these I believe have helped me. It's been fun. I love seeing you guys comment and this community grow. I also, yeah, I would like to thank everybody who comments. Somebody sent me a really nice email, like probably a month ago, so that was really nice of them. But yeah, you guys, always inspire me to do more math, and you guys, yeah, just thank you guys for so much. This series has really helped me. I suggest you guys do something similar. Keep doing math. It's good for your brain. It's fun. It's important. Um, series like this really helps you stay consistent, which I have trouble with staying consistent in other things. But because I have this, I kind of have to stay consistent. But yeah, it's been a year. I love you guys. And I will, as always, see you guys tomorrow, hopefully for another year.